What is going on, guys? Welcome back to SteadyRollin'Garage. As you can see, we're not in the garage, we're driving right now. I'm driving my girl's car right now. I need to go get a haircut, and I didn't pick up the camera to film yesterday or the day before. I just didn't have like I don't know, no motivation or just no inspiration to pick up the camera. But I heard it from a podcast: if you can't stay motivated, stay consistent. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna try and just make some content happen, because I don't have anything planned today, but I wanted to pick up the camera, film, and put out a video for you guys, just to keep you guys in the loop. But like I said before, I'm on the way to get a haircut. I'll check in with you guys right after. What? Closed? Fuck. Change of plans. Head to a different spot. And we're back. Warming up the truck right now. Probably gonna go take a little test drive. Got a fresh cut. I've been having this random issue sometimes with the carburetor where it drips fuel into the primary side of the carb when either the truck's off or it's like after a drive or something. It wasn't doing it earlier, I don't know, it's come and go. So we're probably gonna try and replicate that issue. I do have a bunch of bits and pieces, a couple different carburetors, and we're trying to see if we can figure out what's the issue. I suspect it's probably gonna be the needle valve, but we'll see. Let's take it for a drive and let's figure it out. Maybe the shades will look cooler. Let's go for a short little drive, guys. Like I was saying, I didn't film much this weekend. Yesterday was actually my girl's birthday, so we just chilled, barbecued, had the guys over, and called over everybody and just hung out. No need to break out the camera. There was moments that, you know, I was like, damn, I wish I caught this on video, but it is what it is. And that's why I was bringing that thing up earlier. Damn, hella bumpy over here. If you can't stay motivated, or if you can't find content, stay consistent. So that's why I'm just trying to make any type of video. The timing back a little bit. I did adjust the valves, and I moved the cam timing a bit, and also my fucking alternator shit on me, so we'll probably get a look at that. Yo, what's up, guys? Well, I adjusted the valves and I didn't record anything. I also readjusted the cam. Probably can't see any fucking difference, but you know, it is adjusted. Got the cover laying over here. I just didn't record anything because it was gonna look fucking boring, but did the little maintenance. Got, oh, almost dropped that shit. Got some oil stabilizer in just to kind of control a little bit of noise. Get some lubrication, making sure it's doing what it's supposed to do. Check back in. Alright guys, as typical freaking things go, my fuel pressure, or well, my fuel filter, there's no bubbles in it. Usually you'll see like a little bubble keep coming up out of here, letting you know that it's leaking into here, but you can't really see anything. But in there, it's freaking dry. It's dry as fuck. What the fuck, bro? So, whatever. Oh yeah, as I was saying while we were driving, the fucking alternator shit on me while I was coming home from work one day, or going to work and coming home from work. This motherfucker shit on me. So I brought a jump pack with me and fucking gutted it out the rest of the day at work. Had to get it home, had to get it changed. That shit pissed me the fuck off. That thing is fucking ridiculous. Maybe the bracket is bent and the fucking alternator just did not want to fucking fit. So I had to modify it, slide it in that bitch. What's up? Alright guys, well, I stopped recording for a little bit to help my girlfriend put up her monitor stand, and in like 10-20 minutes it rained, hailed a little bit, and then now it's fucking sunny again. So don't know what the hell's going on. We're gonna pull the truck up right here and let's try to get some work done. Now what I was saying earlier was usually the carburetor does its little fucking weird thing, but it's not doing it right now. And I was trying to show you guys the alternator thing fucking gave up on me one day on the way to work early as fuck in the morning. That was super annoying. So chanced it home, got home, the battery was at like 9 volts. Like, bro, I don't think I'm gonna make it to work tomorrow, but picked up a new one, slapped it in, gave me a fucking headache. But yeah, since the carburetor's not fucking doing its thing, we could still probably take off the top, check the float, and just double check on the needle valve, just in case it wants to do it again later down the road. And probably fucking get rid of this mess if I can. I have some wire loom left. We'll see if we can tuck it away, make it look a little bit nicer. Separated the fuel line, plugged it up, plugged up this, took off the little bracket for the filter and loosened all these screws. Got to take off this little arm for the vent for the choke, and that's it, coming off. Gonna adjust the float level and take a look at some things and make sure everything's all looking good. Got the float adjusted and spec'd out. We're just gonna, oh shit, camera's all fucked up. Put that on there. Gotta reattach the choke arm right here, and then should be squared away on that side. Start working on this after. Also, we gotta test this shit after and make sure, you know, I didn't fuck anything up. So, choke arm back on. That one's pretty tricky. And then just gotta tighten up these. All good, hook up the line, good to go. I got pretty much everything put back together. Start up the truck real quick, test it out, hit it. I got the choke on, my custom zip tie. It's from LC. Now we just gotta wait and check after it warms up to see if it's drinking fuel on its own. Truck is warmed up. Carb is sounding very nice. Let's get some raw sound for you guys. Idle's pretty choppy. It's back to my original setting before it started freaking out. Sounds pretty good. Also, let me know in the comments, guys, if you guys like this filter being on the carburetor or this filter. I had this from the Holly. There's a little adapter on the bottom of here that lets you run it on the Weber, but I was running this for a short amount of time. Looks all right. I feel like some people will be like, that looks stupid, fucking leave it with this. This is what it came with, use that. Like, yeah, I don't know. Change up the look? Who knows? Let me know in the comments. Well, for now, let's try this thing on. Looks kind of cool now that it's on there. And I cleaned it. It's not bad. Shiny. Adds to the, you know, whole colorway of the chrome and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna stick with that for a little bit. Alright guys. This kickflip first try. I get a break. Or I get a beer. I stay in the center of the frame. Hey. I'm fucking counting. Second one for redemption. For redemption. Boom. Check it out, guys. Did the little loom right here. I mean, cleans it up a little bit. It's pretty freaking basic, but it did really help hide all of this. Maybe I could go through about covering these up and kind of making it look a little bit uniform. But let me know what you guys think of this. The little round cover. Had this for a little bit. Probably rocked it like once or twice, but yeah, try it out. Looks cool. Probably gonna start up the truck, play a little bit with the timing, see how it sounds, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, now it's pretty warmed up. That's about the sound that I gotta live with all the time. So let's jump on the timing and let's see if we can give it a little bit of edge. Not too much, just kind of bring it up just a little bit to kind of, I don't know, whatever, we'll see what it does. Check back with you. People in the comments have been asking about the exhaust and headers and stuff like that, so I thought I'd give it a couple revs, a couple bitch ass revs, cause fuck, I mean, it doesn't look like it, but it is getting dark right now, so I don't want to fucking full on send it revving this shit out, fucking disturbing all the fuck out of the neighbors and shit. But that's a little taste of how it sounds. In the future I'm thinking of doing a video comparison of like me and Jeremy's exhaust. I got a Flowmaster 40 series and Jeremy has a Cherry Bomb. But we used to have flip-flop. Like he used to own the Flowmaster and I used to own the Cherry Bomb. Be for a future video, maybe a cool idea, who knows. Let me know in the comments if that's something you're interested in. We're more than happy to film something like that. It's a pretty easy video. Check it out, how fast it started hailing. Fucking out of nowhere, literally. Super freaking, I don't know, wild freaking weather today. Truck's looking good though. When it's wet, truck looks pretty good.
Let's go have some fun.
we're pretty much all tapped out on that. Did everything we could today. Got a couple things accomplished. Pretty happy. Overall, pretty, if I would say, mid video. But in the little cinematic, I did show off these tires. These are some 205 50 15s. They're gonna be going on the wheels on the truck because I am planning to change up the color on the truck. Hopefully, if everything, you know, goes my way in the next couple weeks, we can end up painting the truck pretty soon and film it for the channel. Also, shut off these wheels. These are skinnies with some decent back tires, some pretty freaking good tread. Only ran these tires once, but the skinnies are done for. So I need to get a new pair of tires for that, and then that's ready to rock. But when I was building this truck all the way back when, these wheels were given to me for free. So I kind of have like some sentimental value to it, and I feel like it fits the truck's personality, being kind of like one of those type of wheels to stand out a little bit more. But yeah, all those plans are just for the future. That's for if everything plays out and all of our cards are right, you know, might just end up working out for us. I'm gonna test drive the truck tomorrow. I'll let you guys know on the next video. Try to turn a boring day into a pretty decent video. So, hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. SteadyRollin'Garage. We out.